deck building 2025. Ready to get your deck built for 2025? Give us a call. That's the old deck. That's the new deck with a deck frame. Getting these pieces in. Got the concrete poured in. You get an inner look of deck framing. See right there where your concrete posts will go. Your concrete go, then you put your post in right there to hold it up. Plenty of support. This entire door frame is gonna have to be replaced. Gonna have to take up the plywood that's sitting on top of the that's for the subfloor. All that's gotta be replaced. And look over here, that's gotta be replaced. All that's gonna have to get replaced as well. Need to get the work done? Give us a call. All right. We are standing on the deck now. We are standing on the deck. Need to get some work done? Give us a call, 770-899-7432.